In this video, you'll learn how to sell items on eBay effectively. This guide will take you through creating your seller account, listing products and managing orders to ensure a smooth selling experience. Begin by navigating to the eBay website. If you already have an account, simply log in using your... If you need to create a new account, look for the option that says register and follow the prompts to provide the necessary information. Your account must include verified contact and payment details to start selling. Once you are logged in, locate and click on the sell option at the top of the page. This action will direct you to the listing creation process, which is essential for starting your journey as a seller. Next, you will be prompted to create your first product listing. Begin by entering a clear and captivating product title that accurately reflects what you are selling. Then choose the appropriate category for your item from the provided list. This classification helps potential buyers find your product easily. After that, provide a detailed description that outlines the item's features and condition. To enhance your listing, upload high-quality photos that showcase the product from different angles, ensuring that potential buyers can see its exact condition. Decide whether you want to sell your item through an auction or a fixed price format and set a competitive price based on similar products. Choose the shipping options that best suit your needs, as this will affect the buyer's purchasing decision. Once your listing is complete, it will be published, allowing buyers to view your item. When a buyer places an order, you will receive a notification in your seller dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub for managing your sales and orders. It is important to check this regularly to stay updated on your transactions. After receiving an order notification, pack the item securely to ensure it arrives in good condition. Select a reliable shipping carrier based on your chosen shipping options. Adding a tracking number to the shipment is crucial, as it allows the buyer to monitor the delivery status. This step enhances the overall customer experience and helps build trust with your buyers. Effective management of your orders and shipping is key to maintaining positive feedback from buyers. Make sure to communicate promptly if any issues arise during the shipping process. Keep in mind that shipping times can vary based on the carrier and your location, so provide accurate estimates to your buyers. Additionally, consider the size and weight of your items when calculating shipping costs, as this can impact your pricing strategy. Properly managing these aspects of your sales process ensures a successful selling experience on eBay. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.